Alright, so we just left Circus Circus. We were there for like 2 hours and it was really fun. Like, it's a lot cleaner than last time I remember. They're definitely trying to like upkeep it and revamp it and stuff. They're definitely like putting new, I don't know about revamping, just like freshening it up. You know what I mean? It's the same, but they're just putting more paint and stuff on it. So it's very nice. I enjoyed that. And we got some good prizes at the arcade. Robert won some money at the slots. And so now, we're actually staying at Encore. We're gonna walk back to Encore because we've been up since 3 a.m. and we need to recharge our phones. So we're just gonna go back to our room for a little bit and then we're gonna go check out some other areas. But yeah, I like Circus Circus. Much cleaner than I remember from 6 years ago. Definitely recommend. All right, now we're outside the Wynn and we're trying to find the fashion area. Trying to find the Hello Kitty Cafe. But we're also just walking around. So this says, we came out the casino and shopping entrance. Oh, and they got even little banners. Is that right? There's the plane. So when you walk through the hotels, you forget how far you actually walk. So our hotel is right there, tipping right there. I literally feel like it's only been 20 minutes. So we walk through the Wynn. So now we're gonna go up over here, cross the street, and we're going over to this fashion show. Supposedly they have a Hello Kitty Cafe. Last trip we did the pop-up one. Oh, wait, I think this is a different one. All right, here's a better view. We're staying at the Encore. There's the Wynn right next to it. They are connected underneath, so you do not have to walk outside. Pretty cool. And then across the street is the shopping complex that we're gonna go check out. Worst comes to worst, I could always have a donut. Looks like they have a Dunkin' Donuts. But I'm teasing. I'm not eating Dunkin' Donuts in Las Vegas. Nothing against Dunkin' Donuts, just not my favorite. So this is essentially a mall. But look, they have Chinese lanterns for the Lunar New Year Festival. All right, so Hello Kitty is here. It is down here. I'm just amazed because like, I'm from St. Louis and we have like 3 or 4 malls and only one of them is really good. Keep going down here. Like the other, like one's almost completely dead. The other 2 are close to it. There's only one that's not dying, and it's just like, it's nice to see them all. It's not dead yet. I mean, it's Las Vegas. It'll never die. But fortunately, the malls in St. Louis are not having good luck. All right, we left the mall. We didn't really walk around much. The whole point was just to go to the Hello Kitty Cafe, which is exactly the same as the pop-up at the MGM Park. So no need to do both. I still got a drink and a cupcake, but don't need to go back. Look at that plane. Anyway, now we're gonna walk over to the Palazzo. I'll be honest, I called it the Palazzo and my husband looked like he wanted to smack me. I'm just kidding, he would never do that. But he's like, there's no I in it. Yes, yes, yes. Story of my life. I never pronounce anything right. So now we're gonna walk over there because they also have Lunar New Year decorations. Can you hear that plane? Just the little things. I like the planes.
What, the ferret races?
The planes! Oh. The ferret races! Is that a thing? I don't think that's a thing. I think you just made it up.
Pretty sure that's what I heard.
Alright, in a matter of minutes, we're from over there to over here to go into these shops. And if you can see that dome right there, our Uber driver was telling us it's a new entertainment facility and it's should be done. I can't remember. Did you tell her? Do you remember what she said when it would be done? Maybe by the summer. And then the first concert will be U2.
I forgot.
Whenever it's gonna be done, it looks pretty cool. Here's this Mustang trying to cross. I'm sure he's making everyone happy. He's gotta cross all the traffic. surprised there's no sirens, because every time I try to record outside, there's sirens. Alright, we're now at the Venetian. Oh my god, he's furry. He's like furry. I want to pet him. I can't get close enough. It's the Venetian. All right, so this is, oh, it's the check-in over there.